Hi, this is David Yu. Having sold my GT-R back in 2015 or so, I haven't really had a car that's been good on track. I've had my beloved M140i, Litchfield Stage 2, Quaife LSD, M4, low control arms, etc., which is great, but not really a track car as such. However, I recently decided to treat myself to something that can be taken on track while still being comfortable on the road, and it's this. A BMW M2 Competition 2019. It's got a lot of optional carbon fibre on it. It's really fitted by the previous owner. It's M Performance wing, which is remarkably expensive, I saw. Carbon rear diffuser, the optional M Performance big brake kit with 6-pot calipers and larger discs, the rather natty side fins, M Performance, also carbon, and of course finish it off, carbon front splitter, also original M Performance. As you may have noticed, it's also got the rather unsubtle but official M Performance decal pack, which is not exactly to my taste, but again wasn't a cheap option either, and it's finished in Hockenheim silver, which was a colour launched of the M2 competition. So why did I choose this particular car? Actually, it wasn't because of the stripes and the carbon, but because it had a very rare combination of a sunroof. I love a sunroof. I've missed not having a sunroof because of the light it lets inside the car, and also a manual gearbox. Absolutely essential, and one of the main reasons I decided to go for an M car that has a remarkably similar interior to what I've been used to from going back to 2013 now, when I had an M135i, then my M140 in 2017, and now this M2 competition. The interior is extremely similar, and that almost put me off ordering one. I originally thought maybe I'll put my name down for the new M2, and then I saw it. And no offense to people who are getting the new M2, is it called the G87? It's just not my cup of tea. A lot heavier, up to 150 kilos heavier than this version, and no more power capability either. So decided to keep this. So as is my way, I'm not actually going to keep it standard for very long. I've had the car for about 3 weeks now. It went to Bedford 3 days after I got it. The car only had 684 miles on the clock when I took delivery of it, despite being 2019, over 3 years old. And I got it from these fine people in Northern Ireland, SJ Davidson Motors, and they shipped the car over for me. 680 miles on the clock. 3 days later, took it to Bedford Autodrome. I hope the original owner isn't watching this, because he'll probably be crying. It's apparently never been out in the rain. It's been left out in the ice and the snow, driven on salty roads, and on a track day 3 days after I got it. So sorry about that, but I think that's what these cars are built for. Anyway, so tomorrow I'm driving it down to Litchfield. My good friend Ian is going to look after it and work some of his magic on it, change a few bits, and I'll look forward to doing a follow-up on video on that after it's been done. Cheers.